Welcome everyone to this week's episode of My Life and my virtual therapy dog channel. If you're new here, I'm Frank, and this is my life from my point of view, with my voice by Dad. I'm here for all the folks who want a dog but can't have one right now. Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's video. We'll get to the dirt work part of the video here in just a moment, but I met this little guy the other day and wanted to share that with everybody. It's not very often you get to meet a baby woodpecker. He was pecking away on the stump there. But this is what this week's video is about. Dad did some work on a backhoe, and that was stuff we actually dug up. But Dad and Mom have been wanting to do this for a while and haven't been able to find anybody to do it, so Dad worked out a deal to fix this backhoe so he could use it. There's a little bit of water that comes in the back, a couple little springs that kind of pop up, and Dad's been wanting to get the shop extension done, but that water had to be dealt with first, so he made this ditch for me to play in. He says he's going to fill it up, but it's still fun to play in. I do like to make splashes in the water and then chomp them. And there's kind of plenty of water back there. And, you know, all the time is playtime. There's my friend Sticky. I don't know if you can see the water running there or not, but that water runs most of the time. Well, it's run all the time since Dad dug that ditch. Dad's gonna dig that out. Just another thing we found buried on this property. And I do have fun playing. Keep watching. We're gonna borrow a friend's dump truck and run out to the, Dad calls it the rock getting place. But I might have got just a little dirty in the ditch. But by the next day, you know, being a Pyrenees, as soon as that stuff dries, it just falls off, so even though I look pretty dirty. And playtime is fun time. I don't know if you've ever seen some of my real early videos. There's I kind of looked a little bit like that. There's a dump truck. This is my first time riding in a dump truck. What? We're not gonna film going down the road just because it's, you know, somebody else's truck. And so, here we are at the gravel getting place. And the way they figure it out, you drive up on the scale. There's a big steel plate there. You park the truck on that, and then they see how much the truck weighs, and then you go over and get loaded up and drive up on the scale again, and they know how much the rock weighs per ton, and they figure out how much money you owe them. We made 4 trips that day. Yeah. That's us. Backhoe just finished up that truck and trailer in front of us. And about the time Dad got stopped, that guy started dumping rock in the truck. Definitely a little bit easier than with a shovel. Okay, that's probably enough for this load. Back at Franklin Manor. It's good Dad knows how to drive a dump truck. And I had to get out of the truck first. Dad can't see the mirrors. With me in the truck, it's this is the 3rd load. Hopefully that'll be enough rock to fill up a big chunk of that ditch. Sure do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you like this episode. It's not the most exciting episode, but You know, this channel is my life. There's that pipe for the ditch. But that's gonna just about do it for this week. Thank all the subscribers and everybody for sharing the channel, helping us help people. I really do appreciate it. So until next week, stay safe, have fun. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, stick upon the thumbs up button. And for the newest, go ahead and paw that subscribe button. Thanks again. Cheers.